Hey tech lovers, welcome back to our channel. Today we are diving into the world of the foldable smartphone with the brand new Motorola Razr 50 Ultra. This sleek has innovative device is making waves in the mobile industry, and we shall got all the detail you need. Let's jump right in. Let's talk about the unboxing. It includes smartphone unit and a Type-C cable with the 68-watt fast charger, and another cool thing is included in what? This is an earbuds of one mode. So let's cool. Let's talk about this introduction of the our main device Motorola Razr 50 Ultra. Talk about the design and display. The phone feature with 6.9 inches foldable LTPO AMOLED display with the resolution of 1080 x 2640 pixel, which is a full HD high resolution, and you can watch YouTube video on 4K streaming, but Netflix on not that. Netflix is not high resolution. It sports a super smooth 165Hz refresh rate with HDR10 plus for vibrant color. When foldable, there is a handy 4-inch AMOLED display on which you use everything like gaming, multitasking, widgets, AMOLED, and this is also AMOLED display with 165Hz display. But there is a small difference between the inner display and outer display, which is that inner display has 3000 nits brightness and the outer display has 2400 nits brightness, which is enough, not so bad, but it is cool. So let's talk about the performance. Under the hood, it runs on the Snapdragon 8s Gen 3 built on the 4nm processor, which is ever good for multitasking and gaming, and it provides Antutu score of the 1.1 million, which is enough, I think, in this price category, which is enough. There is only one variant in it, which is 12GB RAM with LTPO 5x RAM and the 512GB ROM, which are enough and good storage provided. But the rare setup boasts about the 250 megapixel camera. The model wide angle camera is removed from this and added the 50 megapixel of telephoto lens. I don't think which you prefer more, and you can tell us me in comment which camera lens you prefer more. There is a great challenge for foldable smartphone is that battery. The 4000 mAh non-removable battery keep powered with the fast charging of, but the charger in the box is 69 watt, which is incredible, and the 5 watt of wireless charging is also provided. There is another feature which is that the reverse wireless charging is also provided in this, so you can charge the other devices which has a wireless charging support. You can charge it from this. It has 5G ready smartphone for lightning fast internet, only feature NFC, USB Type-C 2.0, which is less than, and the Snapdragon sound like Dolby sound, which is very good in this stage. We wrap up reminding viewers to stay tuned for official detail, like, subscribe and hit the notification bell icon. Thanks for watching. This is the Tech Talk signing off. Spec Buff.